Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be watching a video on how I installed this shotgun scoop onto this small box Chevy Trans Am. In the previous video I showed off and explained how to put a Gen 1, small box Chevy, the old school small box Chevy, into your 4th gen. And now I'm going to show you how I put a shotgun scoop in it, which wasn't one of my best ideas, but it looked pretty cool afterwards. So we're going to jump in that video. And before I get started, if you're into vintage hats, if you notice everything's in a mess here, I do got an eBay store. It's in the description below. I will be listing a ton of vintage hats, this one and more. I list new items every day, so go check that out. It helps me out. It's a little bit extra support, but money's hard to come by. Don't go spending your hard-earned money unless you see something you actually want. It helps me out, and just you watching this video, commenting and dropping like helps me out just as much. Thank you, appreciate it. Let's just get started. Hello guys, second try at fitting the scoop. Craig's here to help now, so we might be able to do it. We're going to clean some more around the wiper cowl. I didn't want to do it in the first video. As you've seen, it was a major fail. But now if you ain't never seen Craig before, he's featured in a few videos we have done here on the channel. Some with the Miatas, some with the Mustangs. Craig's a big car guy, just like us. We're going to try again and see if we can put this scoop on this 4th gen Trans Am. So stay tuned. We're going to make a mess or make a creation. On that comment, I think we made a creation and a mess. Safety first. Can't believe we're doing this. Part 2.
What we call safety first. Got gasoline all over the intake, ready to throw some sparks.
Ain't got gas all over the intake. Always wear safety glasses. This is one of my older videos, so it's a little bit hard to watch. Stuff over the intake though. And what I'm doing now is explaining to you what exactly I'm doing. It makes sense, don't it? It seemed to when I said it, but I'm cutting out that notch. That notch you see though I'm cutting out is actually to get the Gen 1 small block in. You need to notch out for the carburetor, the air cleaner, and the distributor. So you notch out wiper cowl. It just wasn't enough for the shotgun scoop. And you don't want to cut too much out, because you cut too much your windshield wipers won't work, and then it won't be a daily driver, would it? Without what, Lane X? Even I am shocked after we watching this video, so you as shocked as I am. Yep. At least I did use a lag to cover the carburetor up so metal don't go down the intake when you open the butterflies. If we have pliers. I think that's going to work.
I got lag.
Past James, I think you did a decent job. A little bit of a little bit of
bottom now.
A little bit of.
Got to cut the bottom of it out.
Quit talking, guys. I think I did a good job. Past James did. Just a little bit of a hack, a little bit of a. Yeah, but it works.
Yep.
I thought I had that. Hand me over.
Here.
Oh my God, we can put a boil on this car. Oh, we do.
I got it cut.
Don't try us at home. I do got another 4th gen, and no, we will not be putting another blower scoop on it. I actually got 2 4th gens.
It's all the way back.
After much modification, I think we have came up with the way it will look. We didn't need those. Okay. As you can see, we kind of cut those out, so the filter will go back on it better. Okay, what's the other part, okay? Right there. Did we need to cut this?
Yeah.
How much?
Move that. Hey.
Well, that works. Let's just skip ahead because this is, you know, I don't need to show you 20 minutes of how that's gonna be. Okay, here we go. Fitment. If you want to see the full video, you can watch it on the playlist. It fit. It's a tight fit. I don't know, but it fit. Now has a shotgun scoop. It's a tight fit, and that's what you want, you know. The tighter the better. Some cases. Now if you can get the breather in it with a stud, we'll be doing good.
We're gonna put stud in it.
Yeah, we got a new stud right here. Came factory with the scoop. Why? Came factory with the scoop. I tried to skip ahead, but I skipped a lot of content. The supply, because basically we need to build a bracket. Oh, so I built a bracket. So we went Tractor Supply for metal. What in the hell are we in? We're in some kind of truck I don't even remember. We're leaving Tractor Supply. What in the world was that in the background? Okay, S10 brakes. We used the William in the Ratwad project. Eclipse still not did anything with it, and I can't tell what that is. Actually, Crash driving since he's not the best driver. Oh, you correct?
I'm better driver than James here, though.
Supposedly. So, let's get started. If I don't get
First step's a doozy.
2nd gen Camaro in the background. Still
yeah,
on the channel.
It is.
Doing a 70 conversion on that.
Ta-da! It fits so far. Now we're gonna make a bracket to actually help support this.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Okay, so I need to go ahead and drill a hole in that.
Got me first.
The only thing holds to.
Where we at?
So I need to go ahead and drill a hole in that, like a pro.
That's how you bend it.
Look at that.
You have to set it off a little bit.
Maybe.
Well, we'll try to get the bend right. I see what it is.
What?
We bent that down.
Did we?
Sure.
Oh, need to bend it up a little bit.
I need that hammer.
What? Hammer? Hammer?
Okay, we bent it the wrong way. It happens in test fitments. Quality work.
No one will ever know it. We cut it that much.
I know, and you know, watching.
Well, the hood don't close as expected, but it's on there. I didn't think we could get it to fit, but after taking the time in an all-day battle, it fits, don't it, Clay?
Yes, right.
Yep. Now we gotta cut the hood out. Now I'm going to save that for the next episode. So be sure to hit that subscribe button.
And thank you for your support. But yeah, on a side note, be sure to hit the, subscribe button and notification bell. I will do the hood commentary over top of the hood video of me cutting the hood, the beautiful well male hood on this 4th gen Trans Am. If you guys want to see it, if you want to see the original video, it's in the Sinister Trans Am playlist. So if I get enough likes and attention on it, I might go ahead and do the commentary, and we visit this together, and you can get my reaction on it. This is a pretty sketchy little install here. I think I can do better, quality videos and stuff now, but it was you gotta think, it wasn't a show car, and it wasn't built for it was a daily driver, but it was more of a toy. And you just sometimes build cars to just have fun with them. I don't know, that might be a car guy and a car girl thing. Might not be like for the average person. So, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it. Leave me some comments if you want to see me get my reaction on me actually cutting this hood up in a future video. Thanks.